Welcome to this complete Palawan Island, Philippines travel guide. Ever wondered what a tropical paradise looks like? Well, wonder no more. Nestled in the warm, azure waters of the Sulu Sea lies Palawan Island, a gem of the Philippines. This paradise is renowned for its stunning landscapes, crystal clear waters, and an array of exotic wildlife. Over the next few moments, we'll whisk you away to the mystical Cayangan Lake, the mesmerizing big and small lagoons of El Nido, and the astonishing Puerto Princesa underground river. We'll bask in the golden sands of Nakpan Beach, explore the ethereal Twin Lagoon and Secret Beach, and embark on an island-hopping adventure in Honda Bay. We'll dive into the serene Barracuda Lake and marvel at the underwater wonders of Tubbataha Reef's natural park. So, are you ready to explore the enchanting beauty of Palawan Island? Imagine a lake so clear you can see the rocks at the bottom as if you're merely gazing through a glass panel. Welcome to Cayangan Lake. Nestled amid the jagged karst peaks of Coron, this lake is a sight to behold. It's often hailed as the cleanest lake in Asia, and one look at the crystal clear water will tell you why. Every drop shimmers in the tropical sun, offering a mirror-like reflection of the emerald green surroundings. But the real magic happens when you dive in. The underwater world is teeming with life, from vibrant corals to playful fish darting around. And then there's the breathtaking view from the top. After a brief hike, you're rewarded with a panorama that's nothing short of spectacular. The azure waters, the rugged cliffs, and the verdant foliage all combine to create a sight that leaves every visitor spellbound. Visiting Cayangan Lake is like stepping into a postcard. Don't you want to experience that? Next up are two attractions that are as contrasting as they are beautiful: the big and small lagoons of El Nido. Let's start with the big lagoon. As the name suggests, it's quite expansive, but it's not just about its size. The big lagoon is a masterpiece carved by nature. Its emerald green waters are surrounded by towering limestone cliffs, creating a mesmerizing scene that's straight out of a fantasy novel. As you kayak through the serene waters, you'll feel a sense of awe and wonder at the majesty of it all. It's a place where you can lose yourself, yet find a deeper connection with the world around you. Now on to the small lagoon. If the big lagoon is a grand symphony, the small lagoon is a tender love song. It's more intimate, more secluded. Nestled within the folds of the limestone cliffs, the small lagoon is like a secret waiting to be discovered. The way to enter it is through a small opening in the rocks, just big enough for a kayak to pass through. Once inside, you'll find a tranquil oasis where the only sounds are the gentle lapping of the water against your kayak and the distant calls of tropical birds. It's a place for quiet reflection, a place to escape the hustle and bustle of the world. Kayaking in these lagoons is an adventure in itself. With every stroke of the paddle, you journey deeper into a world that's as beautiful as it is mysterious. You'll glide over crystal clear waters, under towering cliffs, and through narrow crevices, experiencing the lagoons from a perspective that's both intimate and awe-inspiring. Whether you're an adventurer seeking the thrill of exploration or a dreamer looking for a place to let your thoughts wander, the big and small lagoons of El Nido have something for you. They are not just bodies of water, but living, breathing entities that tell a story of nature's beauty and resilience. These lagoons offer an experience that will make you feel like you're in a world of your own. Intriguing, isn't it? Now, let's delve into the Earth's belly at the Puerto Princesa underground river. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this subterranean marvel is more than just a river. It's a testament to the wonders that nature can sculpt over millions of years. Nestled within a protected park, the river carves its way through an intricate cave system, home to a unique ecosystem teeming with life. Here, stalactites drape from the ceiling like chandeliers in a grand ballroom, while stalagmites rise from the floor, imitating a forest of stone. This isn't just a river, it's a natural cathedral, a testament to the slow, relentless power of water and time. But it's not just about the sights. It's the exhilarating boat ride through the darkness, the echo of water dripping, the sudden emergence into the light. All these create an experience that's both humbling and thrilling. A journey through the world's longest navigable underground river. Now, that's a story to tell, isn't it? From underground rivers, we move to the stunning beaches and lagoons Palawan is famous for. Let's start with Nakpan Beach. Imagine a 4-kilometer stretch of golden sand kissed by the gentle waves of azure waters. It's a sunbather's dream come true. Not a fan of sunbathing? No worries. The beach is also ideal for a leisurely walk or a heart-pumping swim. Next, we head to the Twin Lagoon. As the name suggests, it's a pair of lagoons separated by a thin wall of cast rock. Here's a fun fact. One lagoon is warm while the other is cool. So dip your toes in and feel the fascinating interplay of temperatures. Don't forget to bring your snorkeling gear. The lagoon's crystal clear water is home to a vibrant underwater ecosystem. Moving on, we find ourselves at the secret beach in Nido. Now, this is no ordinary beach. You have to swim through a narrow crevice in a limestone cliff to reach it. But once inside, you're greeted by a secluded stretch of sand surrounded by towering cliffs. It's a hidden paradise, a world away from the world. And then there's Honda Bay. Now, this isn't just one beach, but a collection of islets, each with their unique charm. Go island hopping, snorkel in the clear waters, or simply relax on the sandy beaches. If you're a foodie, you're in for a treat. Many of these islets offer beachfront dining experiences where you can indulge in fresh seafood while soaking in the panoramic views. Last but certainly not least, we have the Barracuda Lake. Now, don't let the name scare you. The lake is named for the barracudas that inhabit its depths, but they're more interested in avoiding humans than causing trouble. What makes this lake special is its unique layers of fresh and salt water, leading to a surreal swimming experience. And if you're a diver, you'll be enthralled by the underwater cliffs and caves. From the sun-soaked sands of Nakpan Beach to the warm and cool waters of Twin Lagoon, the secluded beauty of Secret Beach to the diverse islets of Honda Bay and the unique diving experience at Barracuda Lake, Palawan truly has something for everyone. With so many beaches and lagoons to choose from, every day in Palawan can be a new adventure. Tempted yet? Finally, we arrive at Tubbataha Reef's Natural Park, a paradise for divers and marine life enthusiasts. This magnificent marine sanctuary is a spectacle of nature's grand design, teeming with a rich diversity of aquatic life. Imagine swimming alongside over 600 species of fish, 13 species of sharks, and 12 species of dolphins and whales. Protected as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Tubbataha Reefs is not just a diver's playground, but also a vital ecosystem that plays a crucial role in the survival of many species. The thrill of descending into the deep blue and coming face to face with a colorful medley of marine life is unparalleled. The reefs of Tubbataha are also a testament to the beauty of nature's resilience, bouncing back from threats and thriving against all odds. What better way to end your Palawan adventure than by exploring the vibrant underwater world of Tubbataha Reefs? We bet you can't wait to pack your bags. As we conclude this journey, we hope we've ignited your wanderlust for the exotic charm of Palawan Island. We've sailed through the mesmerizing turquoise waters of Cayangan Lake, meandered through the mystical big and small lagoons of Nido, and navigated the awe-inspiring depths of the Puerto Princesa underground river. We've basked in the sun-kissed splendor of Nakpan Beach, explored the enigmatic Twin Lagoon, discovered the clandestine allure of Secret Beach, and hopped across the breathtaking islands of Honda Bay. We've even plunged into the startlingly clear waters of Barracuda Lake and marveled at the underwater paradise of Tubbataha Reef's Natural Park. Each attraction has etched an indelible memory, a story waiting to be shared. Yet these are but mere glimpses of what Palawan has to offer. The island beckons, teeming with adventures and experiences just waiting to be lived. Remember, the beauty of Palawan is not just to be watched on screens, but to be lived. When are you planning your visit?